The campaign to improve school attendance follows data showing the levels of absenteeism on the Rock, affecting secondary schools the most.
Obviously, there's lots of ways of looking at the statistics, but I can tell you over the last 7 years, the overall average attendance figures across all schools have ranged from 84% up to about 91%. That doesn't sound bad when you hear about it like that, but actually the average sort of over all the 7 years is 87%. That means 13% of our young people are not attending school regularly.
The reasons for not attending school can vary and are often linked to mental health or issues at home.
It can range from emotionally based school avoidance, anxiety, which in itself has many causes and many roots. Extended holidays is quite an issue. Religious observance, which of course we very much respect, but sometimes they are taken to sort of a little bit longer than perhaps they should. So lots of different reasons. There's also, we feel, a little bit of a mindset. So when it comes to summer hours, it's sort of like, oh, it's not so important to go in. So that's also something that we need to tackle. So there's lots of reasons.
The campaign aims to build on the work already being done by education professionals and get the community involved in helping ensure children go to school.
We have, in the new Education Act, put in higher penalties, but really a lot of our issues are around children who parents are finding it difficult to bring into school. Parents are generally on board, but they are struggling. Not always, but in quite a lot of cases. So we want this to be about support. So this sort of reinitiating the work that we've been doing in a more formalised way. This is what this is about. And this part of our Working Party aims and initiatives is about sort of homing in on the public in general to make sure that the public are very much aware of the issues around attendance, why attendance is important, and so that we tackle this together as a community.
The awareness campaign will be rolled out through posters and electronic documents, as well as outreach to parents. The aim, to get everyone, from guardians to Gibraltar as a whole, to see that children get the education they need.